Hello everyone, how is it going? I am D-Lo today, and I am giving you the lip roll Cyclone or Cyclone beatbox sound tutorial. So, this sound is my original sound actually. This is a one that I invented, and I brought it to the beatboxing world in 2013 or 2014, and it's a variant of a inwards lip roll. The lip roll Cyclone sounds like this. So it's another bass sound for you to try and learn. And here are some references to where I've used this sound effect. Off of the stage, we have my Beatbox Battle World Championships entry video.
Lip roll Cyclone.
And here's a reference to where I used it. It was a little bit messy in this take. It still hit hard, but I could have done this a lot better on the stage in the moment. Versus Trung Bao at the GBB 2018.
Kill him on a rhythm and I kill him on a track. And that's...
Okay, so that is a reference to the sound effect. As you can see, I haven't shown it too much. I did it a lot more back in 2014 era. I also did it in that 2018 video. So this sound effect is a little bit inactive to me. I would love to hear people learn the sound and use the sound. So here's how we're doing this one. This is going to be a central inward lip roll plus a central inward whistle with the lips. I'm going to give this sound a difficulty rating of 8, maybe 9 out of 10. I would say an 8 out of 10. Somewhere around there. Hard. Not impossible, but hard. So, let's start this one. It would be best if you knew how to do an inward lip roll. If you can do that, I will show you how to navigate. If you cannot do that, well, you can still do this sound. It's still possible to learn this sound without a normal lip roll. For the lip rollers that are trying this sound, get as close to the lower lip, low lip roll as you can. That sound effect, what we're going to try and do is turn it into the middle. Now, I know it sounds crazy, right? Because it looks like I'm doing it on the side. I know, but I'm using the middle of the bottom lip. And it's kind of going to the side of the top lip. You could do it in the middle, or you could do it how I'm doing it, a little bit scuffed. Okay, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to do the lip roll with the standard area on the top lip, but with the middle of the bottom lip. And that's going to get this airy, almost whistly sound effect. So, you can also try like that. If you try and do a normal lip roll at the top lip, you can turn the middle of the bottom over into it. Obviously, this sounds terrible right now. That's okay. It's all about the air control for this sound. We're trying to get that sound. So to get that air sound, we're going to try and go... We're trying to get an inhale with the tongue and the roof of the mouth. So, tongue to the roof, bring down that tip of the tongue, and breathe in up into the tongue. Now we're trying to hollow the sound effect and make the lips generate this sound. Now we're trying to get in that hollow sound. Right there. And we're going to try and apply that to the lip roll. Okay, so into a normal lip roll sounds like... And then you're going to try and move that lip in the middle. Okay, very weird. You probably have it, honestly. If you can lip roll, you probably have it. It's a very bad sound. It's the whistle that counts. For the non-lip rollers, we're trying to place the tongue level with our lip that's all up like a bucket. The lip is like a bucket right now. It's like that. And we want the lip to sit there like that on top of it. You can't really see it, but it goes just underneath the bottom lip. And you're just trying to breathe in there. Watch. You're on the right track if you get this. You want to lift the tongue up and try and allow some air to slide into the bucket. Into there. Okay. This is an extremely difficult sound to teach, actually. Let's focus on the whistle. That's what we want. So, this is all about the bucket technique I've just taught the non-lip rollers. We're going to get the lip like a bucket. The tongue right on the top. And allow the air to come in, underneath, into the lip, into the bottom of the mouth. Copy this mouth position. And breathe in. And then we're going to slowly mute the bucket with the tongue. And that's where you're noticing the airflow. And it's all about managing the tongue with the lip. We want to get any kind of whistle. The whistle does not need to be high quality. If you can get that whistle sound, even if it's just like this, just a little bit, then you're good. You're good chilling right here. Now, the most simple concept is get that whistle with that middle centered lip roll. So, plus the whistle, plus the whistle. One more time for you. Plus that. And then the whistle. So I'm going to do a 4-step process. It's going to be normal lip roll, center bottom lip, then the whistle. So terrible attempt right there, but another way to learn this sound is to get the lip roll, get the middle one, and then play around with the tongue to try and get the airflow. The last 2 steps, they're kind of one step. To make things easier, I'm going to do lip roll, then the center bottom lip, then mess around with the tongue for a whistle. 3 steps, okay? It's like, it looks like that. 1, 2, 3. And then the third one is going to be the area. Watch this. It's a mess right now, but that's the practice method. Until you can get in there with if you're struggling with this sound right now, but you're getting the concept, what you need to do is try and think that the sound is all in the center. That helps me. To me, it feels like I'm doing this whole sound in the middle, but as you can see, I'm not. Let's start with the bottom half of the mouth. We want that whistle to come in with the tongue and the bucket of the lip. Then we apply the lip roll with the top lip. It's terrible, right? But it's going to help you find it. You know, it's a very delicate inwards lip roll with the top lip. The bottom sound is where it matters most. There you go. I'm adding that tight top lip roll. It's a very nice, airy, whistly variant to a lip roll. To a lip roll, sorry. And you can control the pace as well like that. This is quite a hollow sound, so allow your throat to be open. That's going to be all my advices to this messy, hard sound. I just wanted to provide a tutorial for one of my original sounds for you to try and learn. That's my best advice to you. Now, there's very likely that you don't learn it the same way as me, and you might even learn a sound that sounds similar, but original. You might find an original sound doing this, your own airflow in with a lip roll, which is going to be a variant to a lip roll. You're going to find that. If you find the Cyclone, congrats. If you find something different, then also congrats. You have just experimented and found something new. And that is what beatboxing is all about as an original artist, is making your own sound effects. So we're looking for a lip roll, and we're looking to variate the position of the bottom lip or the top lip, and allow air to try and formulate a whistle. Okay. One last tip. The tongue should sit above the bucket. It should be in between the lips. Maybe even up into the top lip. Place the tongue right up by the lips to really control that whistle effect, that cyclone effect. Just inside the lips. There's a noisy sound, a messy sound, but it can be very nice and sound original if controlled. Good luck with that sound effect. I apologize for the weird tutorial, but there it is. Good luck. Let me know in the comments if you have found that style, if you found the concept, if you found the Cyclone. Cheers, everybody. Peace out on that one.